Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and it's Joe Braid here. So we're going straight into the video. So first thing first, you want to pat your hair. You're going to go like sideways, and then you're going to curve it down to your ear. Yes, you want your part to be looking like this, exactly like this. And please make your parts to be straighter and neater than mine. And you need a really stretched hair for this hairstyle. So I'm going to detangle my hair and prep it for gelling. As you can see, I'm trying to brush my hair. Please guys, if you know any gel you use to sleek your hair, your 4C hair, please let me know in the comment section, because I'm finding it so hard to sleek my 4C hair. So I'm going to use rubber band, and I oiled my rubber band. I soaked my rubber band in oil so that it will be easier for me to take it off and I will not snack my hair. And then I plait my hair at the back. Then for this other side, I brush my hair, remove any tangle, and then I'll pack my hair using rubber band. You can use hair scrunchies though, but I decided to use rubber band. Yes. So up next, I am going to spray my hair with water just to make sure the hair gel goes in smooth. So you have to work in sections. I'm doing my back hair first. So I'm going to be using the Gorilla Snot Gel. The red says it's 10/10 in sleeking hair, but it didn't work for me anyways. So I'm going to be sleeking my hair downwards. Sleeking my 4C hair has always been a struggle for me because I've not really found the right gel for it, but we try to manage it a little bit. Also, this hairstyle is really simple, and it's a bridal hairstyle, as well as you can use it for your kids. You can also wear it out for events. And along the line, you see me switching from hairbrush to comb to toothbrush, just because I want to sleek my hair. Please, if you have another gel that works really well for you, you can. It's not compulsory, use mine. So I tried sleeking my hair, adding more gel. I didn't want to put too much gel on my hair, that's why I packed my hair in the first place. And as you can see, the front part of my hair, I'm not gelling it because I want to use edge control there. I do not want to put gel on my edges because I feel they actually do break. So I tied my hair, and I'm going to be using Ceres from Xpression collection. I'm going to put rubber band, and then I'm going to make one part longer than the other, and you will see why. One part is longer than the other, you'll see why very soon. And then I'll spray water, although it's soft, but I didn't want to be struggling with the kinky hair because it's super long. So removing my scarf, putting the rubber band to my hair, taking the shorter part, and then I'm going to roll it over my hair, and then using bobby pins. I try not to use a lot of bobby pins on this hairstyle. Then I'm going to, the longer part, I'm going to divide into 2 sections and I'm going to twist it. Not really a tight twist, just twist it. And I do that to make the hair not to move, since I didn't want to use a lot of bobby pins on my hair. And so you roll that too, using bobby pins to really secure it. I got this hair inspiration from a YouTuber. I'll put her name down in the description box. Everything I use will be listed down in the description box below. Now this is the front part. Very easy hairstyle, very easy updo, super easy, less stress. I used 1 pack of Ceres for this. It comes in 2 bundles, and then I use both bundles, 1 for the back and 1 for the front. Very simple. It doesn't come with stress, except maybe you're lazy like me in gelling hair. Yes, you have stress slicking your 4C hair, but if you use my method, it would really work for you, trust me. And I was super happy recreating this style thanks to this YouTuber. This is a very nice hairstyle and I really love it, and I would really recreate this. So that's all. As you can see, I was super happy with myself. And then I went ahead as a makeup artist to do a bridal look for this hairstyle. Please, you guys should please subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram at JoBreed. I'll put down my Instagram handle and let's connect. Stay blessed.